How to create images with ChatGPT. So first you want to open up your browser and go to chatgpt.com and make sure you're signed in with your account. Now all you gotta do is click on new chat and click on the plus button. Make sure to select create image and now just give it any prompt. So for example, a monkey holding a gun. And then all you got to do is press enter or click this button here to send the prompt, and it should start generating an image. I've already tried it in here, as you can see, and here's the generated image. You can also edit this image if you click on the edit button here and specify or describe the edits that you want to do. So for example, make the monkey color black, for example, and then you can send the prompt and it will edit this image right here that we generated. Now it will need a few seconds to finish, and it just finished editing the image. So here's the original image, and here's the result after the editing and asking it to modify the color. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.